morning, guys. I don't have any classes today, but I do have a meeting, so I need to get ready. So I thought, it would be good if I can film a get ready with me and show you guys how I put makeup and style my hair these days. So I don't have COVID, and I don't think I have cold, but I keep coughing, so I kind of feel nervous whenever I cough because people might think that I have COVID. So I just put Vaseline on my lips. I already have sunscreen on my face, so let's just go straight to foundation. I'm still using my Lancome foundation. It's semi-matte texture and it doesn't really get on the mask. That's why I keep using this. This is actually like my third or fourth week of classes because our school started kind of early in August. So I think I'm pretty much adjusted to my classes and my schedule. But yeah, I still feel like I need more time to like completely settle in. Now I'm just applying some concealer. I'm very tired these days, so I have lots of dark circles. So I try to cover them up with my concealer, but I mean, you can still see them, right? I guess I just need more sleep. If it's your first time to my channel, I'm not an undergrad student. I came straight to my PhD program after bachelor's. So right now I'm not doing a whole lot. I just take like 2 courses and I'm supposed to be starting some sort of research. So, I just read through like some papers, I attend some meetings, and I TA for the class. But to be honest, I'm not doing a whole lot yet. I'm just like trying to catch up with my classes and get used to my life in Chicago. I'm so sorry for not posting on schedule. So I did a very good job maintaining my schedule for the first week. And then from the second week, I started like making friends and meeting new people. And then I had homework and so I didn't do a good job managing my time. And I was way too tired. And last week, I actually filmed a get ready with me video, but I didn't like it. For some reason, I felt like I looked so ugly. I hated how I looked in the camera. So I'm filming it again. Hopefully, I'll be able to upload this video soon enough so that, you guys can see me. Guys, I got a new bronzer from MAC. This is a Skin Finish in medium dark. And when I bought this, they gave me a free lipstick, like free, full-size red lipstick. It's so pretty. It's like this burgundy red color and it's perfect for like fall and winter. So I'm so in love and I'll show you at the end. So some people, like my new friends, have been asking me like if I'm a YouTuber because on my Instagram it says video creator. So they keep asking me if I have a channel and I told them yes, but I didn't tell them the link to my channel. I mean, it's basically just my name, but they probably don't know what to type to search me. And I'm kind of hesitant to just give them away my channel link. It's so weird of me to do this because it's public, like you guys see me and like it's open to everyone, but I don't know, I feel like this channel is so personal to me. I share a lot about my own life, like my family, my views and insecurities and stuff, and I don't know yet if I feel comfortable enough to share that with people who I just started to get to know. Yeah, so I've been keeping it a secret. Maybe once I get more comfortable, I'll eventually tell them. For eyes, I'm gonna use this eyeshadow palette from Peripera. It has a lot of like pinkish brownish color. So I've been using this a lot. I'm so sorry for coughing. I know it's kind of annoying. So I'm just gonna use like this light pink color as a base. During my undergrad years, I went to a really small private school. So, everyone knew each other, like we were kind of like a community. But my current school is really big, like it's a public school and I'm a grad student, so I only take like 2 courses, right? So I just like go to school twice a week and then come home right after class. Oh, actually one of my classes is online. So I actually just need to go to school for 1 class. And that makes it really hard for me to make friends. So, I was like, oh, this is It's sad, so I'm kind of trying to make friends in class and outside of class, but yeah, it's been challenging with COVID and everything. I'm gonna use this brown color and mix it with this red color and then shade like my crease and the back corners of my eyes. I'm not gonna use any pearls here because it's not as glittery, so I'm gonna use my favorite glitter and then put it right here and create that puffy under eyes. And I'm also gonna like take my finger and then put a little bit in the center of my eyelid. I'm gonna blend my eyeliner with the darkest shade here, and for like my lower back corner, my triangle zone, I'm gonna use this pinkish brown color. In college, I used to live in the dorm, but now I'm living here in my studio and I've been enjoying it a lot. It's like really fun to live alone. I've been like cooking for myself, cleaning, and you know, like pretty much trying to take care of myself. So maybe in future vlogs, if you guys want to see more like home cooking, what I eat in a day or a week, and those type of stuff, I can definitely film those. I can also do like a study content. I know like some of you mentioned it from like ages ago. So you know, if you have ideas, please let me know. I know some of you want like more hair content, so I'll try to come up with some hair content as well. I just did my mascara. Let's do blush. I'm gonna use this peachy blush. I think this will go well with my red lipstick. Just gonna put a little bit. Now let's put on lipstick. I'm so excited, it's so pretty. I enjoy doing like a lip point makeup these days, so I try to do like a full lip and then minimal eye makeup. I don't like to just like put the lipstick all over because that just makes it like too unnatural. So I try to like put layers and layers of lipstick and try to make like the outer part like a bit lighter than the center to give that radiant effect. I'm done with my makeup, so let's do the hair like I always do. I'm gonna apply my hair oil or hair essence before using my curler because I don't want to burn my hair. I just take like a little bit of hair, start from the top, turn it once, pause, 1, 2, 3, come down, and then turn again. So my hair isn't super long, so I only make like 2 turns and then I just send it to the back and repeat. Has anyone noticed I dyed my hair black, but it's not black, it's soft black. I've never worn color lenses in my life, but this brand, TIJN, sent me gray colored lenses, so I'm gonna try them on. Thank you for sending me these and these cute earrings. They also sent something for my mom, but she's already gone to Korea, so I can't show you guys. I'm gonna go to my meeting now. I hope you all have a good day or night, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!